Revolutionizing Manufacturing, reviewing the latest machinery and technology. Manufacturing has always been a critical sector for any economy, and with the ever increasing demand for efficiency and quality, manufacturers are constantly looking for innovative ways to improve their processes. One of the ways to achieve this is by investing in the latest machinery and technology. In this blog post, we will review some of the latest machinery and technology that are revolutionizing manufacturing. In manufacturing, the IoT can be used to improve process by providing real-time data and insights. In manufacturing, AR can be used to provide workers with a real-time information and instruction, reducing the risk of errors and improving efficiency. In manufacturing, AI can be used to analyze vast amounts of data to identify patterns and insights that can be used to improve. In conclusion, the latest machinery and technology are revolutionizing manufacturing by improving efficiency, quality, and safety. 3D printing, robotics, IoT, AR, and AI are just a few examples of many technologies that are transforming manufacturing. As manufacturers continue to invest in these technologies, we can expect to see even more significant improvements in the manufacturing sector in the years to come.